Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about good news, as you must have heard of, and there's more to come. In a day, let's dive in. Live updates: US and China agreed to lower tariff levels for the next 90 days. US tariffs on China will fall to 30%, and China reduced tariffs on the US to 10%. Stock surged, dollar rallied on the news, so did crypto. Bitcoin eyes record high above 109K once again as US cuts tariffs on Chinese goods to 30% from 145%. Trade tension subdued. Global liquidity increased significantly. What's more to come in a day or so? It is CPI. CPI, headline CPI is likely to be held unchanged at 2.4% in April, one analyst mentioned. If this expectation holds, the market may view the inflation report as positive. Barring any negative tariffs headline, this week's inflation data could provide a bullish catalyst, and it might bring new all-time highs, Thielen mentioned. It seems like that we already entered the phase 2 of Bananas on. What's next for thrifts were in the crypto market? Firstly, congratulations for those who bought the dip for the last 4 to 5 months. It was not that easy, as you know. Nonetheless, I've been saying and yelling to you as long as thrifts were, tension remains, uncertainty remains, there's still a good opportunity to buy the dip. Plus, US and China will definitely avoid crash each other because unless they do, both will certainly die. And Mr. Xi Jinping and Mr. Trump, both of them do not want that at all. Lastly, here's the scenario of tariffs war between two countries. Tariffs rate will not be lifted. It will probably be maintained. From August, the rates is likely to increase not significantly but gradually. For example, from the level of current 30%, a few months later it could be 35%. Maybe next year it could go up to 40% or so. It happened exactly in the first Trump administration. This time around, the tariff level is a bit higher than the last, the print of the in first Trump administration. What does this mean for crypto investors like you and me? You have to focus what they do, not what they are saying. And focus only those indicators. If Bitcoin dominance falls to mid 50%, Coinbase app rank becomes like top 10 or top 5, top 3 on the globe. If RSI of any cryptocurrency, whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, whatsoever, if RSI of that crypto stays above 90 for so long, I will definitely sell at least 50%, possibly 100%. My strategy is very simple. Buy the dip for 4 months, 6 months, 7 months, and finally market just goes like crazy and I sell the rally. And the market subdued once again and I just buy the dip for the next another 4, 5, 6 months. And then I sell the rally once again. In so doing, I can still make decent profit and I can still be secure. Security may be added in this strategy. The reason why I just took this type of strategy is mainly because of the crazy volatility of altcoins. If you're just holding Bitcoin, it won't be for you, to be honest. I will let you know when market is too much overheated with some major indicators, even if it's not perfect, to be honest. Until then, relax and enjoy the rally, at least for the time being. Thank you for listening.